Hi everyone, welcome back to Add Art. On today's lesson I'm going to teach you how to draw a narwhal. Now for those of you who don't know, a narwhal is a bit like a dolphin with a huge tusk on the front of its face. They look a bit like fishy unicorns. So let's start by drawing the body. Kind of curves round here like that. They're very bendy like dolphins. Helps them swim through the sea. All the way down here. Now I'm going to stop just there to put the fin in. There we go, so it looks like it's in front of the body. Okay, now put the tail in. This helps propel it through the ocean. And if I'm going too fast, don't forget you can always pause the video. So let's put the tusk in that I was talking about. And the way I'm going to do this is by drawing some lines on a diagonal, and they're getting increasingly smaller. And that's because the narwhal's tusk is actually quite ridged. It's not a smooth horn. And you'll see, once I start joining these together, they're quite bobbly, and it looks more like a narwhal's tusk. There we go. Put that in there. And I've been doing some research about narwhals because I didn't really know much about them. And apparently they live off the coast of Greenland, Canada, and Russia. So let's give him a smile. There we go. And a big eye. Put the pupil in. And we can finish off the body. So it's really starting to come together. That's looking like a narwhal already, but they've got quite distinctive markings on their body, a narwhal, just over the top of the eye there and down the back. And what I'm going to do is start doing these arches, because they have these little spots on their back. And I'll do that all the way to the end of the tail, and then put in some little dots. There we go. And these dots help camouflage the narwhal when it's swimming, so it looks light from underneath and dark from above. So there we go, there's its markings. Put a few more in there. And you can make these different sizes, and you can spend a bit more time on that if you like. So let's pretend that's it, swimming above a sandy bank at the bottom of the sea. Put some rocks in. And some seaweed. There we go, wiggling in the sea. Second piece, and we'll put a last piece in as well. There we go. So now we'll start giving him a little friend as well. He looked a bit lonely, so draw a little teardrop and a triangle. It's starting to reveal a fish. Eyeball, some fishy lips, the fishy fins on there, and just curve that round to finish off his head. Maybe some scales. There we go. Some bubbles rising to the surface. I think. Okay, put some waves in. There we go. Maybe add some little detail on the sand. Maybe a starfish. You could put a little face on your starfish if you want. And I'm putting these dots on to make the sand look a bit more gritty, like there's some stones and shells and pebbles. And there we go. I think that's looking pretty good. So there's your finished narwhal. Well, that's today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed drawing that. Remember, there'll be more videos to come, so make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.